Hello, Precision Volume Traders. It's Dale coming to you from PrecisionVolumeTrading.com. It is Wednesday evening for the video. We're going to do a little recap of today's NQ and where we think we're going next. But first, let's get our risk notice. No representation is being made that the use of any precision volume trading strategy, system, or trading methodology will generate profits. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. There is substantial risk of loss associated with trading securities, futures, options, and equities. Please, ladies and gentlemen, risk money is trading. Do not risk money that you cannot afford to trade with. Trading is very risky. If you have any questions in that area, please do not hesitate to consult with your financial advisor. All right. As we stated, let's check out the NASDAQ today was a mover. As I'm kind of making the video here at the end of the day, NASDAQ is down 300 points. So let's dive on into the chart. All right, just continuing on here with the video. Now we saw, ladies and gentlemen, we saw this morning in our live trading room. We can actually saw where we had a little gap up this morning on the CME products, and we started making sales this morning. So where are we trying to go? Now, if we look at our precision volume trading indicator right here, our money line is going to end right up with our money bar. And our money bar, see, we got the upside on the NASDAQ. We can see that full target. Now the NASDAQ has done a full pullback here. So we're looking for, are we going to make a bigger pullback here after all of the stops have been taken over here on the NASDAQ since we've gotten this low zone? No more stops over here. So let's kind of see with a big old bearish candle over here staring right at us. Our money bar says, yep, that target to the downside was 12,311. Now we're looking for the NASDAQ to kind of do a little push up and start another pullback here. We'll be able to measure the full calculated move here once we break the 12,311, looking for that 12,128. Our centipede's turning over, and if we kind of take the deep swing point down here to the downside, we've got a little bit more to go here on that 500 pullback. So measuring the money bar now on the downside, yeah, looking for our 12,120 area to come in. That 12,120 area seems to be the magic number here. So we can see the 500 move, and that's a big old bearish candle that came in that said, take that, money bar. All right, let's kind of dive in now. Some actual trades that we got today in the live trading room. All right, guys, resuming the video. Had to get the camera right to get the chart back into it. So we can now, obviously, my early morning trades were in the YM, and because we had a guy trade in the YM, but we found once we got pushing up, I didn't get into the NASDAQ until the half gap and the full gaps was taken. I kind of traded the YM on the upside, but then once the gap here at 10 o'clock had come in, we started seeing our centipede break down. We started seeing some high volume coming in here. We saw the little test on the pullback here coming in after getting the full gap and not making any new highs. Once we saw the big red come in here, we started measuring those sales. So yeah, the nice stuff started happening for us, getting some of these nice long runs down here in the NASDAQ as well. So once we started seeing our reds, started selling the red. Now keep in mind here, as I kind of dragged the chart over, here was where we started selling on the reds when we did not have any volume to take us back up. We came through, got our full gap, pushed down, came back into our quarter candle. We actually saw another volume box with red. It did make one more test, took the next red to the downside there and got the big move down here from the break of the swing point at 05. I mean, my fill was in the fours and getting all the way down here into the 70 numbers. So that was just a nice little trade setup there. All right, so continuing on here with the video, we started seeing some little base pullback at that point. Did not look at any of the buys, however we sure should have, but we started just keep working the sales to the downside here, testing the continuation of the lows. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. One other thing, if you have not seen us in the live trading room, check out precisionvolumetrading.com. Thanks for watching our videos. And by the way, today's keyword is money bar. Keyword money bar. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.